guys, this is Chris from Midwest Gardening for Health. Just wanted to check in and say hi to everybody. We're out watering, we being me. I'm out watering the plants today. Scruffy didn't want to be out. He was out a little earlier. But I was wanting to talk about probably one of the main reasons why gardens fail. And that is while I'm out here watering, just wanted to do a visual representation. So we're out here watering. There's a lot of water going here into the garden. So you would think that as we're watering, that this would sufficiently water the plants. We've got the pooling of the water, which is then soaking in. Go around the bases. So we still have water here, kind of pooling. Turn the water off. We've got water pooling. But then when you get down and actually get into it, that is only just a few, not even an inch, just a little bit of a layer, and we're already dry dirt again. So it just goes to show, this is just a reminder that when you water, you need to water slow, and so that the water has time to absorb into the soil. So just a friendly reminder, water well. All right, well, you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'm gonna enjoy the sunshine and continue to water. I will talk with you later. Bye.